TDD, test-driven development. So I was in PaleKit today, making some changes, doing some things, and an emerging pattern I'm seeing with people and AI coding and assisted coding, all of that stuff, is this thing that folks are calling agentic engineering. And a lot of the tools are starting to create the scaffolding for that. So Cursor, for example, just released Git work trees. So you can have multiple agents working on your repository at the same time. And so like the pattern that's kind of emerging is like you have maybe either multiple terminals open or you have multiple agents running in your Cursor, and you dole out different development tasks that you have in the same repository, and then you merge them all at the end, which is cool. Also has the potential for being a hot ass mess. It's just still pretty early, but I did a little experiment that kind of failed. But what didn't fail is kind of bringing back in this test-driven development. So for those who are unfamiliar, test-driven development is when you first write the tests that you need the code to pass, and then you write the code, and then you pass the test. It usually follows this red-green refractor framework. So red, you write the test that the code needs to pass, boom. It doesn't pass because you didn't write the code, and then you write just enough code for it to pass the test, boom, it's green, and then you clean up the code, refactor it. Where I think in general with professional software developers, I don't know, that has fallen out of favor, but with AI kind of gives it a new life, because if you do have multiple agents, one of the ways that you might ensure some quality is this test driven. So writing the tests that the agent should pass, doling out the tasks and the tests to each agent, having them do their thing in the Git work tree. They're going to do their work until the tests pass, and then you can refactor everything at the end. From my short experience, it's still too complicated for me. Test driven, I think I might just take that from my AI assisted workflows. Write the test so you can at least define what success looks like, and then build to passing those tests. I know there's a lot of feedback of that it doesn't necessarily guarantee that like the software is good, but just thinking as I do scale and speed up my workflows, what are the little pieces that can at least ensure let me move fast but still have some quality?